in 3, 2, 1. Yay! She lives! Amazing! Perfect. So on the reverse side is a very dashing green colour. Now this colour is called chroma green in the industry. It's one of the only colours not on a human skin tone, so are matched with the same background has the power to make someone invisible. So we're going to do a live demonstration to show you what that's like. We're going to pop the camera on. And there we go, Macy's got it on one side right here. And now it's time to become invisible, just like the films. In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It is really that easy. Now obviously, she's not an 11-year-old boy, so we touch up all the green in post-production to make sure it's fully immersed in that background. That's pretty much how they did it, magic of green screen. So the next effect, it is a really delicious one. So try to look over this area and do tell us a bit more about this cake.
Yes, get yourself comfortable. I will take them through this next one. So this is a special effect that we're going to show you here today, and we thought just for our Magical Mischief feature, we had to include a scene including one of our most mischievous characters. It's actually made of a lightweight fiberglass and pigment colouring, so unfortunately we cannot eat it. As I said, we are going to show you this effect right now, so I'm just going to pop the camera on for all of those at the back if you can't see the cake properly, and let's all start this effect together with a simple snap of our fingers. If we're ready in 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Now the cake is slowly making its way up. It's attached with tungsten wires which are very fine and very, very strong and appear almost invisible on screen. Now when the cake is in place, the special effects seem to trigger a trapdoor mechanism on the underbelly of the cake, and a mass of cake goo would fall onto the actor below. So, does everyone want to see Katia get covered in cake today?
Yeah!
That was a very strong yes over here. Well, unfortunately, you guys are very, very mean, and I'm not going to do that to her today, as she does only have one.
There's a bunch of Slytherins in the room today.
Really cool effect. Give a round of applause to our special effects.